Good day and welcome to today's construction class. My name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekun, the founder of Maekll Tech. Today we'll be considering the problem as displayed on the screen using Autodesk Inventor. Alright. So I'm going to actually be developing this object from the front elevation, which is this view here. That's where I'm going to be developing it from. Okay, I'm going to create that front elevation, then modify the rest. Okay. Now to do that, I'm going to click on Start to the sketch. Pick this plane right here. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to pick a rectangle. Yeah, so 80 by 95, a rectangle. So height of 95, width of 80. Enter. Okay, like this. I'm going to use my coincidence constraints to pick the midpoint and lock it here. So I think that's perfecto. Alright, so picking, I have a circle of diameter 25 right there, and the distance is 70.5 from the top. Diameter 25, enter. Distance from the top to here is 17.5, enter. Alright, so I'm going to draw this like this. Pick an hidden line there, create this like this. So I'll be mirroring, I'll be using mirror here. Okay, 80, so which means here to here is going to be 20. Alright, and 95, 63. So from the bottom to this area is 63. Right, so I'm going to pick my mirror. I'm mirroring this line, mirror line, picking that center line, then apply. I have it on the other end here. Perfecto. Right, so looking at it this way again, I'm having okay, okay, 30, perfect. 30, having this line here like this. I think with something like this. Oh, still on hidden. So I'm going to deactivate this. So I'm going to highlight the line I drew just now, then take it away from hidden like this. So with my dimension from here to the base here is towards 30, enter. Okay, so I told that this place is 20, enter. So with my symmetric constraint, I click here, click the center line to make them centralized. Okay, so what else am I showing here? I think that is all for now. Yeah, that is all for now. That is all I'm showing for now. Okay, I think I'm good to go. Am I good to go? And just to clear all benefit of doubt, I think I'm good to go. Yeah, I'm good to go. So finish sketch. Finishing my sketch. I would like to view this way. Okay, now I'm going to extrude that base, yeah, to 110. Extrude the whole of this 110 plus. I'm going to extrude that other half to 20. Yeah, to 20. Then what? Okay. Yeah, I think that's okay. Yep. So let me click on this surface here. Should I do that now? Okay, I think I'm good to go with that for now. I'm good to go. I think I'm good to go. I think so. Yep. So I'm going to click on that surface right there, create sketch. Now creating that sketch, I'm going to pick a rectangle. Picking that rectangle of 15 by 15. Okay, then instead of doing that, I can as well come here and pick center, 2-point center rectangle. So 15, tab 15, enter like that. So do you see that? I'm going to create a line right here at the middle, right there. Okay, so this line I'm going to make it hidden. All right, so now I'm going to position that, so 15 15. So the distance from here to here is 15, enter, and the distance from this side to here is also what, 15, enter. So with that, I'm going to use mirror. With my mirror, I highlight this mirror line, use this vertical line I created, click on what, apply, then what, done. What else am I doing on this area here? I think that is all I'm showing in this area there. Yeah, I think that's all. Yep. So I can what, finish my sketch, click on extrude. This I'm going to click on through all, then what, cut, then what, okay. I have it that way. So I'm going to click on this side, I'm going to click on create sketch like this. Do you see that? Now the first thing I'm going to do is, okay, this area here, I'm going to click on project geometry. Oh, that's an error. Control Z. Project geometry. I'm going to click on this face, then what, okay. So I'm going to click on okay, let me just pick a line and pick a line for myself like this. Okay, and with dimension 40 30. So my dimension from the back to this place is what, 40. All right, and this itself is what, 30. What about the height? Okay, the height for it is 15. This area here is what, is 15. The height there is 15 in height. So after doing that, I'm going to, yeah, that slant area of a thing, I'm going to justify that also. So with my line from somewhere here, let me just draw this. So I was told that the height from here to here is 30, enter, first of all, like that. And coming outside there, okay, we are not given a distance from here to here, we are not given. So I'm going to assume it's the same 40. You know, here to here is what, is 40. So I'm going to assume the distance from the back then all the way to this area is what, is 40. Let me assume that, since we are not given. I'm going to assume the area is 40 also, like that. So with my dimension from here to here, I click what, 40, enter. So I can what, finish my sketch as it were now. So I'm going to click on extrude. I'm going to click on this area. I'm going to click on through all. You see, it's already cutting. Click on plus. Okay, this man here, I think the distance for that guy there is 10. Oh, okay, I think I pinned the wrong thing. No water. So click on this, click on sketch theory and what, share sketch. So with my extrude, yeah, distance of 10. So I'm going inwards like this, then what, okay. So I need to have this shape on the other end here, so it's quite easy. All right, so now the plane which I'm actually drawing this is on the YX plane, So I'm going to go to my origin. I'm going to click on XY or YX plane. You see, now when I click on that plane, you can see the plane ground is at the, is at the middle of this object, and that's because I actually locked this object at the origin, so it's giving me in the middle. So I have where to go like that. So all I have to do is, I can actually hide this sketch 3 stuff, everything. Let me hide them. Okay, visibility. Now all I have to do is, I'm going to click on mirror. Yeah, you can mirror in this area. So I'm going to click on mirror, click on this shape right there, click on mirror plane, that's XY plane, then what, okay. You see, I have it replicated to the other side. And back here, what else do we have left? Nothing. So we are done. Yeah, we are done. Cheap like what, like plantain chips. And that brings us to the end of this particular problem, producing it in what, in Autodesk Inventor. Once again, my name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of Maekll Tech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.